The first step is to wash the fruits, then cut them into half. Squeeze the juice out either with electric or manual juicer. Start with the oranges first and gather the juice in a cup, keep them aside. Then continue with the lemon, keep the juice aside. At the end, place the lime, keep the juice aside. I use 1 liter jug to mix all of the ingredients. Start with lemon juice, lime juice, orange juice, sparkling water, few ice cubes. Add few mint leaves on top and erythritol. Then leave for several hours in the refrigerator. Serve cold. Your orange lemonade is now ready. Enjoy and love your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe.